Listen, if you've been having problems fixing your lashes, this is just the method for you. When you do your lashes, the trick for it is to putting on mascara helps your falsies to blend in even better. Just a little layer of mascara. I'm going to be using this dual brush on. It's a brush on glue from Duo. So it has like a wand that you use to, like this. You use the wand to brush the glue onto your lashes. But personally, I just brush it on directly to my eyelids as I would the eyeliner. I also use this regular Duo glue as well. This one also works in the same way. You also put it on the strip lash. So I like to use this directly on my eyes because that works better for me. So it's good to put a bit more glue on the corners because that is usually where the lashes tend to fall off from. So it's a good idea to place a bit more glue down on the corners. So on this inner corner as well as the outer corner here. So yeah, I'm going to wait for this to dry down. You have to give it a few seconds to a minute. So this dries clear. So when it starts, now it looks a bit blue. When it starts looking clear, then I know it's time to go in with my lashes. So I'm going to prep my lashes. Measure out the size of your lids with it. So just place it in like this and just have like a rough idea of how much you need. I already know how much of it I need. And with the scissors, I'm going to be cutting off from the outer side of the lash. I'm just going to cut off the bits that I don't need. I do the same also on the other lash. So just cut off the part, the excess. So when you do your lashes, the trick for it is to always have your mirror downwards, never in front of you like this. You always want to have your mirror like this. Listen, if you've been having problems fixing your lashes, this is just the method for you. So have it like this and you're looking downwards. You can also use a tweezer for this, but I like to use my hand. And then you place it on and start from the outer corner. And once that is on, you then lay the other side on as well. For the other side. So looking down into my mirror, I put the outer corner in first, and then I go into the other side and fit that in as well. And so yeah, here's my lashes on now. You then go in with your tweezers and sort of press both your falsies and your own lashes together.